Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the differences between earned income and passive income. Understanding these concepts is crucial for financial success and creating a more secure future. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about earned income. Earned income is the money you receive in exchange for your time, skills, or effort. It typically comes from a job or self-employment. The pros of earned income include: Number 1. Stability. Earned income provides a steady and predictable source of money, which can be comforting for many individuals. Number 2. Skill development. By working and earning income, you can enhance your skills, gain experience, and increase your professional network. Number 3. Retirement benefits. Some jobs offer retirement plans, such as a 401k or pension, which can provide financial security in your later years. On the flip side, the cons of earned income include: Number 1. Limited time. Earned income is limited by the number of hours you can work. There are only 24 hours in a day, and you can't work every hour. Number 2. Income ceiling. In most cases, your earning potential is limited by factors such as job position, industry, or salary caps. Number 3. Active involvement. To earn money, you need to actively work for it, meaning your income stops if you stop working. Now, let's move on to passive income. Passive income is money earned with little or no active effort from the earner. It often involves generating income from investments or assets. The pros of passive income include: Number 1. Financial freedom. Passive income can offer financial freedom by providing a stream of money that isn't tied to your time or effort. Number 2. Scalability. Passive income opportunities often have the potential for scalability, allowing you to increase your earnings over time. Number 3. Diversification. Passive income can help diversify your income sources, reducing your reliance on a single job or paycheck. There are cons of passive income, including: Number 1. Initial effort and investment. Many passive income streams require an upfront investment of time, money, or both, before they start generating income. Number 2. Risk and uncertainty. Passive income investments carry risks, such as market volatility or potential losses. It's important to conduct thorough research and exercise caution. Number 3. Time and patience. Building a sustainable passive income stream often takes time, and it may not provide immediate returns. And that wraps up our discussion on the differences between earned income and passive income. While earned income provides stability and skill development, passive income offers financial freedom and scalability. It's important to find a balance between the two to achieve your financial goals. Remember, both types of income have their pros and cons, and exploring various income streams can lead to a more secure and prosperous future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.